7 must-have travel apps for your next adventure. In today's world, your smartphone can be your best travel companion, especially when equipped with the right apps. From managing travel plans to exploring new cities, these apps can turn a potentially stressful experience into a smooth journey. In this video, I'm excited to share 7 must-have travel apps that will elevate your next adventure. 1. PackPoint. Before we dive into the journey itself, let's start with preparation. PackPoint is an essential app for any traveler looking to pack smartly. It creates a customized packing list based on your destination, the duration of your trip, and the activities you have planned. Whether you're going hiking in the Alps or attending a business conference in Tokyo, PackPoint ensures you don't forget the essentials. 2. TripIt. Next on the list is TripIt, your personal travel organizer. Whether you're hopping between cities or countries, TripIt simplifies your travel itinerary by gathering all your booking confirmations and reservations into one easy-to-access schedule. You no longer have to dig through your emails or scramble to find that hotel confirmation. TripIt keeps everything organized and accessible, ensuring a stress-free travel experience. 3. iVisa. Traveling internationally often involves dealing with visas, which can be a daunting process. iVisa simplifies this by providing an easy way to check visa requirements and apply to nearly any visa through their website or app. Whether it's a last-minute trip to Brazil or a planned vacation to Vietnam, iVisa ensures you get your visa hassle-free, with real-time feedback on your application and 24/7 customer support in case of any doubts or issues. The app has a 99% approval rate, so it's a must-have for international travelers. 4. Google Maps. Google Maps remains indispensable for navigating unfamiliar streets and exploring new cities. Beyond just directions, it offers insights into local attractions, dining options, and public transport routes. The offline maps feature is a game changer, especially when you're in remote areas with limited connectivity. For instance, on a recent trip to Marrakesh, Google Maps helped me explore the souks without getting lost in the maze of alleyways. 5. Rome to Rio. When planning how to get from one place to another, Rome to Rio is a fantastic tool. This app shows you all the possible travel routes between 2 destinations, whether by plane, train, bus, ferry, or car. It also provides cost estimates and travel times, helping you make informed decisions about the best way to reach your next stop. Whether you're planning a cross-country trip in Europe or just figuring out how to get from the airport to your hotel, Rome to Rio has you covered. 6. Google Translate. Communication is key when traveling abroad, and Google Translate is here to bridge language barriers. Its instant camera translation feature is perfect for deciphering menus, signs, or documents on the go. Recently, in a small cafe in Barcelona, I used Google Translate to understand the menu and ended up ordering the best tapas I've ever had. The app's real-time conversation mode also allows you to engage with locals, making your travel experience more immersive and enjoyable. 7. Holafly. Staying connected while traveling has never been easier, thanks to Holafly. This app offers eSIM technology that allows you to purchase and activate data plans for over 180 countries before you even leave home. Say goodbye to expensive roaming charges and the hassle of local SIM cards. Whether you're uploading photos to Instagram or navigating a new city, Holafly ensures you stay connected without breaking the bank. Bonus tip: Dayuse. Ever had a long layover and needed a place to rest? Dayuse is an app that lets you book hotel rooms for a few hours at a fraction of the cost of an overnight stay. It's perfect for freshening up or catching a quick nap during long travel days. I once used Dayuse during an 8-hour layover in Dubai, and it was a lifesaver. Instead of spending hours in the airport, I was able to relax in a comfortable room and recharge for the next leg of my journey. Before we wrap up, just a quick reminder about iVisa. If your travel plans include multiple countries, it's crucial to have your visa sorted out in advance. iVisa is great for this because it simplifies the entire visa application process. Whether you need an e-visa, health declaration, or any other travel document, iVisa guides you through it step by step. It's especially handy because it keeps you informed about the latest visa requirements and processing times, ensuring you're not caught off guard when you arrive at your destination. Having your visas handled smoothly means one less thing to worry about on your trip, allowing you to focus on enjoying the journey. These 7 apps, along with a few extras, will help you stay organized, connected, and fully immersed in your travels. Whether you're planning your next adventure or already on the road, make sure these tools are downloaded and ready to go. Safe travels, and may your journey be filled with amazing experiences and memories.